In this video, I will demonstrate how to purchase your domain name and a web hosting package from a provider. For this video, I'm going to use SiteGround as an example because it's my current favorite budget web hosting solution. So you go to hosting, then you go to web hosting. There are several different packages that you can use. But to start out, I would say to start with a startup. You get one website and some great features. So let's click on Get Plan. Now I'm going to register a new domain, but if you already have a domain, you would just click on this section. So I am going to register WB for Women. That's going to be my new training site. So WB for Women stands for Website Building for Women. And I will hit proceed. All right. This is where you fill in all of your information. I'm going to pause this video while I fill in my information because I don't want my credit card and personal information all out here on the webs. I will return once I finish filling out this page. Okay, I'm back. And so I filled in my personal information and now I'm filling in the purchase information. I'm going to get the 12-month package. If you are wary, then you can get the trial 1 month, but then you have to pay an additional $14.95 setup fee. So I'm going to get the 12 months. Domain privacy and the site scanner, those are optional. For this, I'm just going to get the registration. Make sure that you read the terms of service and privacy policy. And if you want to get news and special offers by email, click this one. I like to know what's going on with my different service providers, so I usually click that. And then you just click pay. All right, my account was successfully created and I can log into my customer care area and start managing my website right away. So let's do that. So this is my website, wbforwomen.com. And then in the next step, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress and to start building your site. But that's how simple it is to purchase a domain name and web hosting from SiteGround.